There's a very famous saying of our sages that the whole world was created just for your sake. Only for you alone. That every day that you wake up, you should say to yourself, the entire world is created for me. Now this is a very, very beautiful saying of our sages. And if Chazal, the sages say it, it means it's a reality. They're not telling you to make you feel good. They weren't living in a time of a crisis of self-identity. It's just important to know that. When you see something that the sages said 2,000 years ago that inspires you, it's not to be inspirational because it's a fact. That means that you sitting here, the entire universe, from the beginning of the world and to the end of the world, was created just for your sake. And it's an amazing, amazing thing. However, Rabbi Nachman says, but what does that really mean? Let's say that's true. Now what? The whole world is created for me, so that's very inspirational, but that also makes me responsible. For what? Rabbi Nachman says, the fact that the Torah teaches the whole world is created for your sake alone means you are responsible for it. That's what it means when the Torah says the whole world is created for you. Because if the whole world is created for you, just like if I created a whole garden for you, it means you're responsible to take care of the garden. But the obvious question is, I can't even figure out in my own life, how am I going to be responsible for the lives of those around me? And then to add to that, that's just my family. Rabbi Nachman says you're responsible for your community. And not just for your community, but your people, Klal Yisrael, the Jewish people, not just your people, all of humanity. And not just all of humanity, but the entire creation.